Puppy in My Pocket, The Island, Part 4. Yeah. Back at the island, at last. My queen, you're evil. How am I evil? Just have dinosaurs and guards. When did you get that laptop? Oh, I got it yesterday. You wanna look at it? Okay. I will look at it. It's a very nice laptop, my princess. Princess, did you just call me? I mean queen, sorry. You forgot. Well, I say, what an answer for the queen. Guards, devour him! No, please! Fine, I will not devour you. Because I have given you one more evil chance. Okay, creep. So, what am I to do for you, my princess? You're supposed to become a royal guard this time. But I can't work for you. You're evil. My wife's good and I don't want her to think that I work for you. She will divorce me. Well, just guess.
No one makes my husband evil guard.
So
or else they're just gonna get it.
Fine, he's free to go. Hey, I feel some rumbling. Eruptor? What's he doing? It's okay, no eruption! You hear it, it's in the distance somewhere. Get everybody, get off the island, off the island. Never in the world would I get off this island. It's my little lizards.
Everyone, the invisible spring, no!
I threw the invisible spring down the cliff.
Well, I can still jump.
Lion can't jump. It's actually a secret from all the years.
Come on, Lime, hook onto my paw.
No way.
I'm gonna jump. Hook on my hand, I can jump. Come on.
No.
It's lead to safety.
Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
If you're not going, I'm not going. I'm your friend.
But don't worry, Dot. I will be fine.
Lava doesn't stand a chance against water.
Well, lava has to go. I don't want her getting hurt.
Lava's not here.
Yes, so let her stay in safety.
No, water doesn't stand a chance against lava. You're gonna die.
I know, but I don't know, just you go on. Tell Lava I love her, okay? Please.
I will.
And tell her I love you all. I'll miss you very much.
Okay.
Goodbye. I will ruin this trap because it doesn't deserve. How dare you!
Throw it down a cliff.
I thought I could trust you. Get away, Dot. Go away. It goes away.
Lava! Your husband is gonna die. No, he isn't. Yes, he is. No, he isn't. Honey, come on, quick, get on.
No, he jumps. I'm gonna jump back now.
See, you can jump.
Well, I just want to die, okay? I will miss you though.
Why do you want to die?
I don't. But if I stayed near you, my water would melt you and you'd be finished. I don't want that happening to you anymore. Remember the time when I accidentally pushed my water onto you and you had to go to hospital to be fixed?
Yes. That was good times.
Yes, it is. Come down here for a minute, honey. I don't want you getting hurt. Tell Lemon that I love her. So Lemon's gonna miss you.
I'm gonna miss her.
Tell her I will miss her and you as most person of all.
Okay.
I will really miss you. I'll see. Dinosaurs, you shall have your last snack. To see how hungry you are.
They're gonna eat you.
Oh. Honey, I
You're not
won't.
leaving. I'm not leaving.
Honey, I don't want that happening. I want you to live. Come on.
I want you to live. If you're not gonna live,
Keep
then
this
I
photo
won't.
of us all together, you, me, and Lemon.
But if you don't live, then I won't live.
Why? How come?
No, if you're gonna die, then I will die too.
You actually will.
You were at the bathroom in the middle of our thing. If water goes away from from their wife, from lava, they both die.
Honey, I'm already here. Come on, let's go. I want to save your life. I want to save my daughter's life. We're back in Pocket Fib.
What daughter?
Safety.
Where daughter?
Our daughter's waiting in school.
Got to go early.
No! You can't leave us here.
Watch me.
Oh, no, 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 no! The Queen is dead! And tell the school children to come home to make a bigger cheer. Sometimes there's older people at school. Loads of assistants. Come on, grab all the kids. Get them all here.
You can't do that, honey. I'll share with you. And I'll war with you.
Just get all the children, okay, out of school. Today there's going to be an easy
It's gonna be a
breakout.
celebration.
It's going to be easy.
Queen is dead.
Children, there's going to be an easy school breakout. Get out of school, babies. And don't, no homework for a year. Woohoo!
Hey, you can't do that to the kids.
What's gonna happen to me? What is going to happen? What is going to happen? What is going to happen?
You're gonna die.
No!
You are going to die. Ha 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 ha.
Oh! Ow! The celebration will begin in a moment. Babies, get up. Oh my god. Babies, what are you doing lying down? You school children are very lazy. Lazy, lazy, lazy!
I'm sorry, we're just so tired.
Oh yes, you had a big advantage to get to this back to Pocketville. Anyway, the Queen is dead. The Queen of Montana Land. Although it's still named that, but she may, cause she may return. I just can't get my language straight.